Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog treat brands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the best Bully Sticks 100% natural 6-inch Bully Sticks. Chew toys are the first line of defense when it comes to teething puppies gnawing on everything in sight. Former strategist writer David Notice wrote in his guide to handling a teething puppy. Of all the treats a young dog can gnaw on, Notice discovered that Bully Sticks, which are made from a bull's penis and are sort of like a toy and a treat in one, are the best bet for keeping a puppy occupied. And they are rich in nutrients. While you can give antlers or bones to fully grown dogs, both of those options are too hard for puppies and can chip their baby teeth, Notice says. Bully Sticks, meanwhile, are fully digestible, and chewing them is good for the teeth and gums, explains Randy Klein of Whiskers Holistic Pet Care. Annie Grossman of New York School for the Dogs Training Center loves the best Bully Sticks brand because its Bully Sticks are made in the US. She recommends using a Bully Stick holder because you don't want them to swallow it, and the smaller it gets, the better the chance that can happen. Moving on at number 4, we have the GREENIES Original Regular Natural Dog Dental Care Chews Oral Health Dog Treats. Brushing Uli's teeth is nearly impossible, and like many small breed dogs, she is prone to dental issues. So I use GREENIES as a supplement to dental wipes to hopefully get rid of food stuck between her teeth. While the longer ingredient list is less than inspiring, she loves playing with them, and they're one of the few treats she actually gets into chewing for a long time. Strategist junior writer Brenly Gortson gives these to her Australian Shepherd mix, and after consistent use, which was recommended by a vet, they've kicked the dog's bad breath. Gortson likes that the brand offers treats in different sizes based on your pet's weight, so she can feed them to her Great Dane too. According to Dr. Sarah Ochoa, a Texas-based veterinarian who specializes in small and exotic animals and consults for doglab.com, GREENIES help prevent tartar buildup and help keep teeth healthy. They happen to be her dog's favorite treat, she adds. When we spoke to her, Ochoa's dog was 9 years old. She told us she fed the pooch 1 or 2 GREENIES a week, and she still has almost all of her teeth. At number 3, we have the Polkadog Surf and Turf 3-pack dog treats. These surf and turf single-ingredient snacks give your pooch the best of both worlds, even though it also comes with a hefty price tag. This snack is comprised of 3 different types of jerky that are made with a single ingredient each, so you don't have to worry or wonder what your pup is ingesting. We appreciate that it comes in a pack of 3 so your furry friend gets the opportunity to taste a few different flavors and figure out which one is the best for them. One pet parent we spoke to likes that these treats have limited ingredients with no additives, and their pup loves the added crunch. At number 2, we have the Virbac Set Veggiedent FR3SH Tartar. Clean their teeth while giving them a treat with a bag of dental chews from Virbac. One of our experts' pets adored these treats that helped clean their teeth and improve their breath while giving them a tasty snack. Available in a variety of sizes for different dogs of all breeds, the brand recommends giving your pup 1 chew a day to reduce their tartar buildup and improve doggy breath. Plus, they're created in a unique shape so they can reach even those far back molars. But, since they're longer and harder than some other treats, keep an eye on your dog while they chew to ensure they don't choke. And finally at number 1, we have the Happy Howie's Natural Dog Treats. These meat rolls are a favorite of our experts and the dog trainers their pups work with. The treat comes in 1 large roll, so it's easy to cut off the correct amount for training before use, and that means you can personalize the size of the treats to your pet. They're soft and chewy, which Dr. Conrad explains is an important aspect of treats for training since your pup can choke on anything too large or hard while they're excitedly chomping down. They're a great high-value option for pups that may have a hard time focusing while in a training environment, or other places with lots of distractions. But, if your pet has a sensitive stomach, this is one treat you may want to stay away from. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.